Good morning everyone, my name is Anmol Saxena. Today I am in favor of English is very important for job. Because I will give you example, we are sitting for here and even not crack any interview because we can't speak English. So I think English is very important for job, for career also. Because English is very important for job also.
Okay, I partially. Okay, good morning, everyone. I partially agree with Anmol, but I want to refine your points that English is not necessary for the success. Because, my name is Priya Yadav, and I am strongly in against to the topic that English is not necessary for the success. Like success is depend on the talent and interpersonal skills of a person. So English is not necessary. If a person did not speak in English, it is not mean that he is not success in his life. Many entrepreneurs has started their business, like if they and they are not good in English, they are not influent with their English, but they succeed in their life. So English, I am in the favor that English is not necessary for the success of the person.
Good morning, myself Tanzeem.
I want to say that English communication is very helpful in success, because if we are not communicating English, we will not able to get the placement, and that will affect our future. We should be able to speak in English.
Okay, I partially agree with you, but I think that if a person like I am
Facing the problems to reach the high level and why they are facing after the 12th. Answer me.
And English is a very important language. Okay. Any job, and it's a very important.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pashavar. In today's generation, in corporate life, we generally need English language to communicate with each other. Today's our generation was Gen Z generation. In Gen Z generation, without English, you did not get a job. For starting your career, you need a minimum job. For that, you need English language to learn.
Ma'am, I want to add one point. I want to end up one point as it's a factful as we all see the UP board schools and Haryana board schools are facing the problem in English, which we can see that as when we have to talk factful, the government should think and think.
Yes, I agree. Government
One should.
Medium schools because the English medium is necessity for CBSE boards and the ICSE boards. The English is very helpful to the students to encourage our careers and development for the personality development in the English.
Good morning, my name is Manju Shikha. I am in the favor of that English is important in this generation because it's a global communication language, and in also the corporate sector they all communicate in English, and it's important for our career.
So good morning everyone, myself. And yes, English is important, but if I will give you an example that PM Narendra Modi is speaking Hindi speeches in foreign and he didn't speak English, but PM Narendra Modi is very successful in his life, and it is not completely yeah, it is not compulsory that if you don't learn English.
But you are saying Narendra Modi is speaking English, but
Hindi.
Narendra Modi is also converting Hindi. Yes, I have to conclude.
I have to conclude this topic because
Hindi, the native language or English language, both are important. In this, each and every country is communicating in English. So regarding this, anyone
wants to add any point?
English.
I myself, I want to add a point that English is just a language to convey a message to one person to another. If you don't have any knowledge, how can you convey your message?
English is not important or anything else. It is in today's generation, English is a survival, where we can.
I am the favor of English because English speaking is playing a role in corporate life is very important.
I want to add one point, as only English cannot act as a barrier for our success. If we have skills and talent, then also we can get success.
That talent.
So luckily you guys. Luckily